Hello everyone, this is Angela at Angela's Garden Sense, and if you think that this bed looks a little different, this little small thing that I have here in this container, you are quite correct. Yes, all of those greens that were bolting, I did pull up, and now I have mostly Dinosaur Kale in here, which is very heat tolerant, but also I have in the middle a little collard plant to see what it's going to do. That other collard plant bolted, as you know, quite early on. I think we had one warm day and it just took off like crazy. But anyway, these are heat tolerant, and as you can see, of course, the Dinosaur Kale back here is doing quite well. Seems to be coming on its own. Hopefully I'll get some good height out of them. And then I had a few seedlings I had yet to put down, but now you can see that they're there. But guess what? All of those mustards, giant red mustards that I pulled up, I cooked them. And oh my goodness, they're delicious. They were not bitter. I put a little seasoning in them and just let them go for a few minutes. Absolutely delicious with some cornbread. And if I get a chance, I'll try and show you how I prepared them. But anyway, just quite good. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. It's sort of a follow-up to my previous one about the bolting greens. What do you call this? Red Russian kale is still doing quite well, as you can see. And both of these are out here on my deck, growing in those little containers that I had gotten from Home Depot. These are those cement mixing containers. The Red Russian kale will thrive. In fact, I have another container where it's really taking off. Let me share that with you. Okay, look at that. Isn't that something? This is actually a grow bag, and I put some red leaf lettuce around the edge, and it seems to be really thriving. But in the middle, look at this beautiful container of Red Russian kale. Some of this I'm going to pull up, and of course these are going to be fabulous in a salad. So I'm really excited to share that with you. Let me back up so you can see it just a wee bit too. And it's one of those, I guess it's one of those 5-gallon containers, but it's doing so well. Give you another perspective of it. Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? Oh my gosh. So I've got plenty of greens and things. Other green vegetables are thriving, of course. These are the kohlrabi that I'm growing in containers, and they seem to be really, really thriving. So I'm really just happy to be out here and just give you a glimpse of things. Also, in one of these little towers, I had separated some of them, and also have some greens growing in those. And at the top, you can also see. This was one I actually bought. I think I got this at Home Depot. This was that red leaf lettuce that I have right here. So this one I didn't do from seed. And look at the rosemary, seems to be thriving and doing well. And the same way with this other lettuce I had purchased. This one that did not go from seed. This one is this red leaf? No, this one is red romaine. So beautiful salad greens. And right in the middle though, from seed, Red Russian kale. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, happy to share that with you. Wanted to let you know I did pull up those that had bolted, but they tasted wonderfully. They were fantastic. So anyway, all is not lost when something bolts. Just pull it up, harvest the leaves, either saute them or whichever way you like to prepare your greens, but delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Happy to share this with you before I go out into the backyard pardon me, and do some more work. Take care, everyone. Remember to plant something and always eat what you grow. Thanks for watching. Bye.